Hello trader and welcome with a new stream with CEO Codes. Today is 12 January 2021. I got so many questions and requests today. I'm here just to answer these questions. Sorry for my sound, I just feel a little bit not well. I will try as much as I can just to tell you what you would like to know. So I will be just here for a little bit, just we will look around the market and we will answer the question, which is many of them. I got really so many requests and questions, and I'm gonna answer most of them as much as I can. We will just wait a little bit until we got the traders online, so I can answer all the questions and requests about the confirmation what we have and about the market. So is the sound is okay? Just the sound is okay, the pictures, the chart looks okay, or still the internet cutting there? I think still the internet. Is the sound is clear? All right, thank you very much. Okay, if the chart looks okay too, so I can start. Okay then, let's start. Okay, cool. All right, thank you very much for the answer. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let's start then. Okay, first of all, I got some questions about the confirmation what I have on my chart here, and as all of us we know, just to make it clear for all of you, the live signal, any live signal, it will not be 100% accurate. So the live signal, it's leading signal. So for example, if you got here short, of course you need some confirmation to get this short. It's the indicators, any trader, any coder make indicators will not, this indicator will not know the future. Any indicators. If someone told you, okay, I'm gonna give you a live price indicator, and this indicator not repent, tell them straight away, you are lying. Any indicator live, no indicator can know the future, but it can calculate the past for the future. So let me tell you something how it works here. So we have here in front of us, we can see This highlight is a support and resistance for is historical support and resistance. So the buy and sell signal on this highlights, it will rebend. A rebending signal, also called a leading signal. It shows the live price action. So for example, if you go short here, of course this short will comes because you trying to hit the level of the resistance. That's why the short it comes. But for me, if I try to take a signal, I will just have a look here. For example, I show you something. You see this long, it comes on the support. And you see here as well, if you just extend this line a little bit like that, even this signal, it comes on the support and the resistance area. So the buy comes on the support, the resistance comes on the sell comes on the resistance. But you have to understand this highlights they do not rebend. So let's say the buy and sell signal will rebend. A rebending signal, also called a leading signal, it shows the live price action. It is the only way to get reversal during trading session. Okay, so the lines on the chart, these lines on the chart, it's historical. They are calculated using from the past. Sorry, just we are in London, guys. We are in the pandemic here. Sorry for the sound. So the lines on the chart are historical. They are calculated using price from the past. Sorry, guys. Just wait a little bit. Okay. Again, these lines on the chart, this line, this lines, this this highlight, this highlight, this highlight, it's historical. They are calculated using price from the past and also some of the session price. It's very, very useful and strong lines for calculated by the price. This is what I'm coding. I'm coding that from the historical, all from the historical. So look for this short on the on the resistance here. This short, it's really, really good short. And if you just keep going, this short will go so far until it hit here. See here? See the buy? It hit the support level, and we see here it's a resistance. So this lines were not rebent, as we can see the price hit it. I hope this will be clear. They will not move after the length opening range time is completed. So these lines will not move after the opening range. So this lines is 9 hours. So the lines will not rebend after this time has finished. It creates a support and resistance zone for the rest of the day. It's really, really strong, really useful lines. But I keep say it again, the live signal, it will repent until when will repent? It will repent when it hit the level. So let's say you got here short on this area. If this price break that level, of course the short will repent. Of course the short will repent. But if I have a look back, let me just have a look for the gold, for example, so I can show you I can show you something there. See this short? let me say I take the short here. I put my stop loss above, straight away above the lines there, above the line there, and I take this short. If it will go very nice short. So let's say I got the signal long. I will wait for a little bit, and then I will put my stop loss on the line there. And we have to understand the lines will take time to calculate as well. But if you would like, let me say it on the different way. If you would like to have indicator do not rebend, I can show you. I have some indicators, it didn't rebend at all. You see this indicator? This indicator, zero rebend. You will tell me, okay, how you say don't trade the live signal and indicator do not rebend? I tell you, this indicator is not rebent because it read the historical. This is how I code it. This is how I code it. Okay, so to make it clear, this indicator, it's not rebent at all. This indicator, it's zero rebend. This one. This indicator, it's zero rebend. It's not rebent at all. It's guarantee. But if I look, let's say, so if it's not rebent, how I know it's not rebent? I will make like that. So now I make the replay, so I can see with you if this indicator is rebent or not rebent. Let's watch it together. Let's watch it together. We can see, we will see this indicator, it's rebent or not rebent. You see that? See, this indicator is not rebent at all. And if I just, it's not rebent. But if I go back a little bit here, so let's say you trade, when the signal comes. All right. So you see this short, this long here. If you will take it long, if you will take signal by signal long, if you take it long, you will not lose and you will not win on the same time. All right. But if I turn this on, this one, if you take it live, it will rebend. So we have two kind of indicators, people. We have rebend indicator and we have not rebend indicator. So the rebend indicator, which is read the live price. The rebend indicators, it read the live price. Can see here. So if we turn the not rebend on, it's still saying short. So it will read the historical. It will be a little bit late. But the indicators front of my chart now, it's different than the non-repenting indicator. So you have to use these lines and make your strategy. These lines, you will not find it nowhere because the way how it coded, it's completely different. I hope just it's a bit clear for you. And please, if you have any question before I move on, just put your comment on the chat, please, so I can explain for you what you're looking for. So there is any question, please, before I move on? There is any question? It is clear. Thank you. Thank you very much for your response. Thank you. Resistant, retesting the resistance here 1.2182. Next target smaller. Okay, so we will start talking about the short now. Wonderful analysis like this, teacher. Thank you very much. But just can you show us how the setting, of course. Let's start with the technical analysis one. We go to settings. If I change here the time frame, this is fine. I will go down here. You have three kind of time. You have Asian time, Europe time, New York time. I prefer to use the New York time, and I put the setup here for New York time. Okay, tell me, what if I want Asian time? You just go number 1, 2, 1 here. Now, see, the support and resistance completely change. Come something completely different, come huge, come bigger, come different calculation. It's calculating completely different. So let's see here, if I change to Europe time. See? Europe time, it's giving me different. See? Completely different. I like to have it on New York time. So this is about the timing. So we will go a little bit down. The profit target, I didn't put it on the chart here, but if you want to add the target, just go style. You will take all of this. Okay. And you will get the profit target. So if you sell, you have a profit target here. If you buy from here, you have a profit target there. So we will keep going again. If you have any question, just stop me. How did you set the setting of the chart? This is what I'm trying to say now. You go input again. I'm not changing, just to let you know, I'm not changing the setup every single time. I just put the setup there, and if it's matching my strategy, I will keep the setup. So some trader, so many of them, they take these indicators and they just play on the settings just to matching them strategy. So we will go again here. The short time. Here we go. I use 4-hour chart. I use 15-minute chart on front of me, but on the indicator here inside the settings, I put 4 hour. You can make it 9 hour. Up to you. It's up to your strategy. So you see here, it comes a bit different. So let's say I use 720, 12-hour chart. See, the signal changes, the signal comes bigger. The signal, it comes bigger. So the short time will change the signal. Again, 240. The signal, you see here, the signal change comes smaller. Okay, let's make it 720. Have a look with me on the chart, please. Okay, just have a look. Now, I will press OK. See here, the signal comes bigger. The signal change again. So let's have a look now. See, the signal comes different. So when I go to the settings and I go to chart time, the chart time will change the signal. Is it clear? Okay, let's move on. I want to change the support and the resistance level. Again, I want to change the support and resistance level. So I will go here, drop it down from 1 minute until 1 month. Is up to you. It's up to your strategy. So I will make it, let's say I will make it daily, and I will make the chart time here, which is the change signal. Remember, I will make it daily too, or whatever. 720 is up to you. So see here, see the lines comes huge because it's daily. See the lines comes huge because it's daily. Where is the short then? Look, where is the short? So let's make it, I just to play with you around the indicator. So let's make it 720. Look now, you see the signal comes different. See, the signal comes different. This lines, the support and the resistance and support lines, now it's daily. It's big. You have to use it for a big chart. You have to use it for chart like, for example, if I go here, I go back again, 720, I make it 1440 to make it big signal to see. The support and resistance, see the range, it keep always the price in between. See the range, that's why you have to use a big chart time to get the, if you change the setup here to big time, you have to change the chart front of you too. So I'm using 15-minute chart and I put there to 9 hours. This is because it's matching my strategy. And I change this signal to comes, let's say 360, 6 hours. This is how it looks. I like it, to be honest, more than the 240. Okay, I want to go to style. I want to take this target off. You would like to leave it on. It's up to you. And this is the signal front of me. This is alert. I use this for that to be alert for me. Just I sleep, I play, I do whatever I want. I got this on my phone or on my mobile or on my email or whatever you want. Okay, there is Barzbakhtiar, is it clear, or you want me to repeat again? I'm with you, don't worry, even if I may feel not well. So is it clear, or you would like me to repeat again? We will look for the Bitcoin 50,000 soon. So is it clear, or you would like me to move on, please? Yes, very clear. Thank you very much for your response. I really respect you. You have any question, even if I finish the live stream, if you have any question, if you have anything would you like to talk about, just please drop a message for me. I'm gonna come for you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go to have a look on USD Canadian. Oh my gosh. Okay, as I say, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So as I say, for example here, I got a short here. if you notice with me here something, here the time here now, it's different than the time there. The time on the buy sell indicators, I make it different than the time. That's why I say it's about your strategy. I make it different than the time on the technical analysis. So let's have a look on the time on the technical analysis. It is 6 hours. So the signal on 6 is 6 hours. So what about the time here? Is 4 hours. That's why you can here see clearly the market when just it's moved in another way. So here on the 360 on the 6 hour signal you have a short, but you have a little bit long here. It's tell you the small time, tell you have a little bit long here, and then you will go to short again. You will go to the short again. Bam. So for example, here you have on the 240 on the 4 hour signal you have short, but because the big time there it's 6 hours, so it will comes after, and this is what it happened, and this is what it happened. So if there is any question, please just let me know. GJ selling GJ. Let's see. Oh yeah, look here as well. You see here you have on the 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour signal you have long, right? But on that the 6 hours you have a short. So for me on my strategy, which I build it front of you now, on this strategy I will wait for 4 hours, the small time, to confirm for me a short somewhere here. Of course the short will come, and when the short comes I just sell it straight away. Thank you very much. Wonderful analysis. I like the setup. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. So if there is any question I can answer, please just tell me, so I can explain everything if you would like. There is any question I can answer it. Okay. I wish the EU pullback was way stranger than its current movement. I'm agree with you. You see, my love. Okay. Okay, there is any question before I move in? Guys, look here. Look, have a look. If I just take this long here on the support level and I got this short here, I get out here. I'm gonna get out here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it from this to there. How many I got? I got 170 pip, guys. I got 170 pip. So let's say yesterday we was have a lady. She's from Pakistan. She was us here, and she is does the signal is change if the short time it change? Okay, did the signal it change when the short time it change? So let's say we are in 15-minute chart now. Let's go 1 hour and we will see. No, the signal is the same, but it's when you change the setup inside the indicator. Okay, Mr. X. Okay, Mr. X. Okay, let's have a look on. So we have a look on GBP, GBY, and we say here, if I take this long from here, so let's have a look on the setup because I really like it now. So this is 9 hours 360. I was have it 9 hours 240, but this is looks much better. Setup looks cool. Thank you very much. So the short signal stay on any chart. Okay, I showed you already the 1 hour chart and it didn't, and it stays the same. But if you change, okay, let's the signal. Let's have a look on the strategy tester. It will explain more. I think he just pushed me to do it. Okay, so on the strategy tester on 15 minutes, we have 19%. The percentage, the profit there. So if I go 1 hour, of course the percentage will drop. Yeah, of course. Why? Because it's a big time, and until the signal comes to you, it will 1 hour gone already. So you will miss the move. But if you make the signal much bigger, I think you will get the entry what you are looking for. I can see a 4-hour signal on 1 minute chart. Yes, of course you can see it in 1 minute chart. What the problem with that? The signal will stay on the chart, but if you change the settings, of course the signal will change. So as this front of us here, everything is clear front of us here. We have now the euro to go to 239. We'll have a look again on euro now. We will have a look again. So is everything clear front of us now, please? Just tell me what you would like to have a look for. So, okay, let's have a look on GBP USD. I'm getting crazy, guys, today, to be honest. This is the GBP USD. Okay, guys, I will say something here very, very important. Guys, please have a look with me. This indicator in the bottom, it do not rebend at all. Zero rebend. Why? Because it's calculating from the historical data. It's calculated from historical price. Okay, just to make it clear. So this indicator in the bottom there, it do not rebend at all. Zero rebend. Sell it, buy, done. If I just turn it off and just go to for the live price indicator, the live price indicators, it's react to the price action for the live price. So if it's a signal comes live short and the price breaks that level when the short comes, the signal will change again. But the lines on the chart, the highlights here, it will not rebend. Waiting for another sell entry at GU, you mean? Okay, so is there anything you would like me to go for? Any chart traders, please. If you have anything, just tell me because I'm gonna leave the live stream very soon. Let's run. Okay, so is everything okay? Okay, so We have a live signal now. We can trade. Let's trade something together. Ready to trade something together? Everyone, are you ready to trade something together? Let's have a look around. Let's look for XRB dollar. Let's have a look here. What's going on? Oh my God. The cryptocurrencies. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say. We have a short signal here. Okay, I'm gonna just make my chart ready to just take the short signal there. And then I will put my stop loss on this line there. Okay, so let's have a look again back to the USD Swiss. Okay, this is USD Swiss. The short signal comes here, for example. I put my stop loss there, but the live that we say this indicators, the highlights indicators, it do not repent because it read the historical price. This is how I code it. But the signal on the indicator, it can't read the future, but it will react with the price action on the price. So about the live price will react as a price action. So if the signal comes here long and this keep short, of course the signal will go back to the short. Okay, but the good thing is you have lines still. You when you take a profit there, when you put a stop loss there, and I show you, if you would like non-repenting indicators, it's in the bottom there. It's zero repent. This indicator, it's zero repent here. This indicators in the bottom there is zero repent because it's read the historical price. This is how I code it. This is how I code it. You will tell me, okay, how much I take from here. Let's see. If you take this long until this short, you get 90 pip. If you get this short here until this long here, you will get 0 pip. If you get this long from here until this short from there, you go 33 pip. This is how it looks. Hi, I was messaging you the other day about your indicator. I would like to know a little bit about it. You said to pop on the live stream. Okay, what you would like to know, please? Let me explain for you. Would you like to know something on the settings? Would you like to know how you changing the settings? I can repeat it. I say it, but I can repeat it for you again if you would like to know. If you have something else in your mind, just tell me. I was messaging you the other day about your indicator. I would like to know a little bit about it. You said to pop onto live stream. Okay, I'm here. Just tell me what you would like to looking for, please. You mean the setups of the indicators? How you can change the lines, how you can change the signal, or you mean something else? I will wait for you to answer, please. Possible multiple time frame best thing to trade FX commodities stock. Okay, I will show you something about that. I said It's all about your strategy. So let's, for example, I like to use a 15-minute chart, and I use there 360 or 240, so I can see this clearly on the chart. And as I'm a day trader, I use a small time. You trade mainly the 15-minute chart. Can I see hourly chart? Yes, of course. But let me say something. If you will change it to hourly chart, you have to change the settings inside to be a much bigger than the 240 which you have in your settings. Did you get what I mean? So if you try to trade the 1 hour chart, yeah, we will go 1 hour chart now. This is the 1 hour chart, but of course you will not come to 1 hour chart. And let me show you something very important too, just before we go on. Look for a strategy tester here on the 15-minute chart. When I use the 240 or 360, it's 91%. But have a look now when I go to 1 hour chart. Look what will happen. It comes 86. The profit. Why it comes 86? Because of course it's a small time and you will come here late. You will come after 1 hour. It's different than when you are in 15 minutes, so you are in early time to get entry. Did you get what I mean? So if you are here, I will go to the settings and I will make it much bigger. So the chart time is a signal. So again, the chart time, it's the signal. Let's keep it here. So the chart time, it is a signal, this signal. And the opening range, it's the lines. So I would like now I want to trade the 1 hour chart. Of course, I'm not gonna trade the 360, the 6 hour signal. Of course, I wanna make it much bigger. I'll make it 720. So the signal will comes much bigger now. Let's have a look. You see, the signal comes bigger on 1 hour chart. Do you see that? You see this? What do I get for a monthly subscription? What do I get for the monthly? What do you mean? What do you get for monthly subscription? Okay, you will get two indicators. You will get these indicators with this line. This lines, it do not read because it read the historical price. I code it as to read historical price. And inside this indicator, you have a signal. And also you will get the alert here. So let's make the alert, change it to 722 to matching the chart. So you will get here the alert. So you will get the alert indicator, and you will get this indicator which have the price action indicators, have support, it have a resistance level, and it have a signal. This indicator is alert. So in this alert, you can set the alert to comes to your email, to comes to your phone as a message, to comes with whatever you would like to looking for. So I want to set up the alert here to go and buy. I will put buy 0.99, which is the arrow here to target this line. It's a 0.99. I would like to comes once, or it comes once per minute. Every 1 minute will comes. I like to comes once. I will write message here. It say long USD Swiss create. Boom. If I go here, I will find the alert tell me long USD Swiss. When the long comes here, the alert will start beep. This is what you will get for the monthly subscription. And if you mean, does the signal change when you change the chart? If you mean the signal will change when you change the chart, it will not change. This signal, it will not change until you change the settings inside the indicators. So it's all about your strategy. So if I go here 15-minute chart with this signal, let's mark the signal first. So we will go here. Here cell, here cell. Now let's go on our chart. This is there, still the same. Let's go 1 minute chart. It's there, still there. Does it comes text or just on the chart? It come, you mean the alert? Does it come text or just on the chart? You mean the alert or you mean the signal? You mean the alert or you mean what it's writing on the chart here? The time, it's inside the code here. The chart time, it's inside the code. So here is the chart time, but this chart time, it will change the signal, and this opening range, it will change the lines. I hope it's clear. If you have any question, please just tell me. As I said before many times, if I go here, USD, if I go here, let's tell you this very clearly. Let's say this very clearly. So, if you would like to if you would like to trade a big time, you have to change the setting to be a big. You have to change two things. You have to change the short time and you have to change the opening range. The opening range, it's the lines on the chart, the support and resistance line, these lines. The short time, when it change, it will change the signal buy and sell on the chart. And about here, you can make it as you want. 720, 12-hour chart, 1440. It's a daily chart. It's up to you. Let's go to 15-minute chart. And as I say, the signal here, it's calculated and it will react with the price action, with the price move. So if it comes short here and the price keep going up, of course you have your stop loss there, but the signal will change. So if I would like to have non-rebenting signal, this is not rebenting signal. This on my chart now, it's not rebenting indicator at all. It's zero rebend. This, it's zero rebend. So let's have a look how it's zero rebend. Okay, let's run the replay mode so we can understand is it rebend or no. We got the here, the price going up, the signal didn't move, the signal stay there, and then bam, it's going down again. It's going down. Does the buy sell alert come on text? Of course it will come on text. I will show you how. You see? You see here? This is not repenting at all. You see here? Let's mark this one. So if I go back here, I go add alert, buy, here is the text. Text whatever you want. Long USD. When if you would like to make it on mobile, you have more actions. Send email to SMS and you will add your phone number and it will comes in your email and your as a text in your mobile phone. If there is any question, please. If there is any more question. Okay, so we are here on the support level here of the highlight. I will go long from here and I will wait. It's up to you about the profit. Do you have to go through each chart individually? You can make it like this. You can make it how many charts you want? 4 charts. I have it in 4 charts now. Let's say EUD USD. This is New Zealand, and this, let's make this gold. So you can change it as you want. So you have 4 charts in front of you. Each chart you can even make it different. So if you have 4 charts in front of you, but I like to change the chart time here to make it 240. Look what will happen. It will happen only in one chart here, but the rest is the same. It's really perfect. It's really perfect, but you have to understand something very important. You have something it called, so let's change this to 242 so we can matching the top one. So let me tell you something very important. This lines, it's a historical lines. It's coded as to be as a historical lines. Will not move, will not rebend, nothing will happen. But if you are looking, so the buy signal will rebend. This one will rebend. Why? Because it's calculated to the live price. But this lines, nothing will happen because it's calculated to the past. Okay, but if you would like, I have so many traders. They take it, and what they doing is they put them strategy on there to just go in with the code. So you can do whatever you want here. You build your strategy by yourself. So you change here the 9 hours to be 12 hours, which will be the lines. We say the opening range is the lines, and we say the short time here, it's the signal. So it's up to you. It's up to your strategy. The way how you start. I like it, for example, to be 360. And the bottom one, I will make it also 360. So when I add the alert, that's it. I just buy in the support, sell on the resistance level, and just put my stop loss above or below the lines. Can you explain the light gray historical boxes above and below the price action? Yes, of course. And as I said now, as I said, the lines on the chart are historical. They are calculated using price from the past and also some of the session price. So if you open here, you will see I add Asian, I add Europe, and I add New York time. I like to use number 3, which is the New York time. But if you would like to change this, is up to you. But this is my strategy. It's my own strategy. So I put it on the tree, which is the New York time. I use the 9 hours and I use 360. If you want to change the 9 hours, this opening range, it is a line. They will not move after the opening range time is completed. So you have to wait. You have to wait. Again, I say it. You have to wait for the length of the opening price to complete. Okay, you have to wait for the length of the opening range to finish. So if you have 9 hours, you have to wait for the 9 hours to done to not to keep this lines stable on your chart. If there is any more questions, if there is any more question before I just finish the stream, please, if any more question, just let me know if you want. This will be great. Okay. I wish the EU brought back are the training. You can see the training. Are there training? Just if you don't understand anything or you're getting confused about anything when you got the subscription, just drop a text. 24 hours. I will show you this live, and I will explain everything clearly for you. Just, I mean, make it private, you know, you understand what I mean? PDF, YouTube videos, training view records. You have many live streams of the trading view records. You have some YouTube videos too, or you can just drop a text for me. I'm gonna answer to you straight away. About the indicator and about the inputs and everything, all this setup, you will find it straight away when I send it to you. But if you have any question about anything, just text me on TradingView or text me on my account on Telegram. I'm gonna answer to you straight away. Don't worry. We have really many traders on TradingView. They use it. But you have to understand, you have to build your strategy by yourself. You have to understand when, if I long from here, I will, for me, I'm talking about myself, okay? Don't take it, I'm talking about myself. I will put my stop loss here, and about the profit, this is comes. But thank you very much. And if you have any question, everyone, just drop it on the message. I'm gonna come for you as soon as possible. And thank you very much for your support. Thank you, guys. Thank you.